Most wellness paths are built on correction. Fix this, control that, discipline harder. And because you've reached a place where you don't want to punish yourself anymore for past choices, for your body changing, maybe wanting more from your partner, I want to show you why the premium path is different so you can achieve a deeper level of radiance. This video is for the woman who deeply desires an internal shift on all levels, but fears choosing a higher standard of care will put her more on a performative level. The premium path will never ask you to be someone you're not, but it will reveal and remove what never belonged. So what does it mean to actually activate your body? It's definitely not about pushing harder with your workouts or adopting stricter routines. Activation occurs when your body starts responding again. It's also realizing how long you've been holding yourself back. That's what you'll notice first. Sure, you'll definitely notice an increase in energy, a subtle glow in your skin, and weight loss, but most of all, you'll see all the little small compromises you've made, ignoring your body signals, saying yes when you meant no, and how it has kept you from maintaining the wellness standard you've been wanting maybe for years. Activation creates an internal synergy that, unless you've felt it, it's hard to explain, but it's like your body taking a big exhale after years of it feeling braced. Most women think radiance comes from serums, and on a superficial level, they definitely help, but everlasting radiance, that comes from how honest you're willing to be with yourself. Maybe that's being honest about what's no longer working, or forcing instead of actually listening, or living outside of your body instead of inside it. And when that honesty arrives, your body responds almost instantly. Women who step into this level of honesty, who truly want to master the art of feeling exquisite, energized, and deeply feminine, never look back. This video is part 1 of the series called Glow from the Inside Out, because after 40, beauty doesn't come from adding layers. It comes from restoring circulation, nourishment, and internal communication so your body can finally express what it already knows how to do. This first video isn't about answers, it's more of a declaration. Saying, I want a different relationship with my body. I want a different standard of care. A different way forward that isn't molded by everyone else's expectations. In the next video, we'll talk about why deprivation, especially around food and pleasure, is one of the fastest ways women lose their glow, and what indulgence actually looks like when it enhances beauty instead of sabotaging it. This is where refinement truly begins.